first we need to go to settings, find and choose wallpaper and style, and then we can tap on the lock screen over here on the left side. Here we have our clock, we can tap on it. If you have the first style, then we have the option to change the font. We can make it bolder or thinner. We can change the color of the font as well. You can choose a gradient too. And as you can see, we have different styles as well. But besides that, you can switch the style and choose a different style for your font. We can enable and disable the information about the weather, and we can also move the date and time, the date above the time. Grab by one of these corners in order to change the size of the clock, and you can also move it to the left, right, up and down to change the position. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.